Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy 2021. In today's video, I've got some wonderful things to tell all of you about the content that's coming for 2021. So stick around. 2020 was an incredible year for this channel, and I want to thank all of you for everything that you've done and for all of your support. We're only 1,000 subscribers away from hitting the 20,000 subscriber mark, and that is absolutely incredible. And I also want to give an enormous thanks to all of our channel members over here for you guys, diving in and really supporting the channel and being a part of the family. Thank you very much for your support. It's greatly appreciated. We've got an incredible year coming for 2021. We've covered quite a lot of things last year. We started that M8 versus twin cam series. We started some custom bike builds. We did some great live interviews. We had a lot of stuff that happened in 2020. So today I'm going to tell you guys about what we've got coming for this year, and I believe we have some wonderful content coming. So I read every one of your comments. As the channel has grown and we get more and more views on these videos, it is harder for me to try to answer every single question, but I do read them, and I try to respond to your questions in most of our content. So again, guys, please keep leaving comments and such. So as far as the content that's coming, if you would leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, about what we've got coming, because I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So if we go back quite some time ago, we did a couple of videos on the FXR project. So the FXR project is going to be a feature series. If you remember Stiffy the Bobber, also what I'm going to do when any videos that pertain to the projects that we're going to revisit and finish up the series on, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can maybe look back and see those initial videos and know where we're at with everything. So we have Stiffy the Bobber, the panhead, single down tube, single backbone frame. We're going to be working on Stiffy the Bobber to get that finished up. Then Manxious, if you remember Manxious, that is the 1956 Norton Manx wide line feather bed that we did a modern engine conversion in. So we're going to be doing the series on that. The Ultimate Dyna build. Quite some time ago I did the teardown, and over the past several months we've been collecting parts and just kind of planning that build out, and it's going to be an incredible build. It's everything from Behringer brake system, inverted Öhlins front end, we're going all that, and it's going to be a West Coast type ultimate Dyna, a lot of horsepower. It's awesome motorcycle there. The curve bike. The curve bike is the one that you've seen under cover in all the videos. No one has seen the curve bike yet, but we'll be unveiling the curve bike once I get the build done on that one, and it's going to be an incredible motorcycle. That means a great deal to me. Of course, we get into the twin cam versus M8 series. We're actually going to start 2021 diving back into that series. So we're going to start with the twin cam. The first video I'm going to do for 2021, actually, we're going to do a Timken bearing conversion. I'm going to explain what a Timken bearing conversion is and why it's a good idea to do it with any performance build. And along this series, you guys have asked for it. And also remember the M8 that we took apart, that we found all the chips in and stuff. So both of those engines, we are going to do a video step by step from the case up all the way to tuning the bike and getting it on the road, every step along the way. So you'll want to stay tuned for those series. If you haven't, I post videos at odd times sometimes. It's just because of how my schedule works out. So when you hit that subscribe button and you see the bell down there, be sure you choose all notifications. And again, when I post these videos sometimes at odd hours, you'll get notified and you'll know what's out there. So then we've got, you may have seen the post on the new warranty program that I've been working on for years, and we finally announced it. That's our Performance Plus Extended Service Plan. And what that is finally there is a warranty that you can purchase for your bike that will cover all aftermarket parts, accessories, and upgrades. It's an incredible program. There's never been anything like it in the industry before. So we're going to do a live question and answer session about warranties. And we're going to do that with Wally Clock, who's the Chief Operating Officer for a company called Altrella, who's backing this warranty for us. He's been in the motorcycle business for several decades. He's run major Harley dealerships. And he's been involved in the aftermarket for many, many years, so he's a great source of information. We want to answer your questions about existing warranty programs that are available, the challenges with factory warranties, and some of the add-on warranties that are out there, and then explain the difference between those and what we're bringing to you as a new program. So that's very exciting. You don't want to miss that one. Then we're going to bring on Denise Hughes from Jim's Machine. Now, Jim's Machine, a lot of people knows Jim's Tools, but they also do performance parts too. Jim's does all kind of stuff. So we're going to bring Denise on. I've known Denise for over 15 years. She's a wonderful person in the industry, an incredible wealth of knowledge. So we'll go live and answer your questions with Denise. Pretty excited to have her. And then several months ago, I had mentioned going on location and visiting my friend Mondo Poros down at Denver's Choppers. And of course, with everything that happened in 2020 and lockdowns and travel restrictions and things, we weren't able to do that. But as travel restrictions lift, we are still going to go see my friend Mondo, interview him, and take out that digger that he built that all of you saw on the Biker Build-Off with Indian Larry. Actually, the last opportunity that Mondo had a chance to ride with Indian Larry, unfortunately. So guys, again, thank you very much. Thank you to our channel members. Thank you to our subscribers. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about these build series. And I'd also like your opinion on something else. I spend some of these videos, I spend a great deal of time editing. But then I heard a lot of comments from you guys too, doing just the over the shoulder. The one that when we did one teardown where I had a camera mounted on my head, when we pulled the twin cam down. And it seemed that so many people liked that unedited theme of the videos, not spending so much time. It's just almost you're looking over my shoulder and you're there and you're seeing everything I'm doing without a bunch of fancy editing and stuff. Now, of course, the audio will be good and the video quality will be good, but maybe not as much, cutting and pasting and that sort of thing. If that's more of the genre and style that you guys like, I would love to know that. If you wouldn't mind, let me know, because if you do like that, that honestly helps me, because it doesn't take as much time to edit those videos. A half-hour video can take several hours to edit. So if that's the style you like, then that would actually help me provide you with more content. Also, I would love to hear your ideas on future content, but just what I'm looking at off this list here, we've probably got the next 5 to 6 months worth of content played out. The other thing I've thought about is doing more of these quick tech minute things, where I just post on a quick 4 to 5 minute video, little things throughout the day that can help you do-it-yourselfers at home. So guys, let me know what you think. Again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for our channel members, and thank you for supporting the channel and sharing and everything else. I have a goal to break 20,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And if you guys could help me do that, I would greatly appreciate it. Happy New Year, happy 2021, and I wish you the absolute healthiest and most prosperous new year. Take care of yourselves, everybody. Have a good one.